to my channel. So I'm gonna do a really fresh pink light makeup today, and of course very luminous look today for you guys, just for the girls who like the more natural look, and also could be a possible look for Valentine's Day if you want to go more natural, you know. So let's get started. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use a lighter shade today for my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the NYX Precision Brow Pencil, the one that looks like this at the top, and this is the shade Taupe. I really like this color for my eyebrows because it's so light and pretty. So I'm actually gonna just do a voiceover because my dad's next door and like he's watching his drama or whatever hella loud. So yeah, just taking my brow pencil and outlining my brows first, and then I'm filling it in. And then for the inner part, I try to go with a lighter hand so it could be lighter right there. And then taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just carving them out so they would look a lot better. Sometimes I tend to mess them up when I do the top of my brows, which sucks, but today it went well. And then I'm just blending it out with a brush. Taking the e.l.f. brow gel, I'm just putting that all over my brows. It's not makeup, sadly. It's one of the shirts I ordered from Zafo just to try it out, you know, like you just want to try it. I got my other shirt the other day, but it's so small, like one size. What the fuck is one size? Like, so I got this. I guess this could be a little haul here too. But this is one size as well. Oh, it looks nice. Okay. There's like glue everywhere though. Or whatever this is. Yeah, it's like hot glue or something everywhere. Like, you see all that? Like, a freak. But this looks nice. It's just a sweater. Okay, it makes me look like I have no neck, literally, because I don't have a neck. But this is actually really nice. Ooh, it was one size, but it's like perfect fit. But I don't really like this neck part. I didn't know it was like that, but okay. Alright, let's just get back to the makeup. So now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just priming my eyes with that and then blending it out with my Beauty Blender. And I'm setting it with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. Then taking the Carly Bible palette, the deluxe edition, taking this purpley pink shade right in the middle and just putting that into my crease. Then taking this shimmery pinky shade, just going right over the lid space. Then I'll be blending that out with the same shade that we used in the crease, just to make it look a lot better. Then onto my face, I'm taking my Clinique Gel Lotion and then also the NYX Angel Veil Primer and just applying that all over my face to prep it for the foundation. Then spraying my face with the Smashbox primer water just to set everything in place. And then for today's foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Foundation. I think that's what it's called. And just applying that all over my face. Then I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just putting that in the spots that I need them the most. And then I'm just setting my face with my airspun powder all over my face since we are not contouring. And then taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, I believe, in the shade Party, and just applying that on my face as if I was to contour my face, but with blush, because I don't want it to look too harsh. So I'm just going in with some very pinky and pretty blush. Then taking the ColourPop highlighter or Super Shock cheek shadow or something in the shade Off Tropic, and just applying that all over my face, like the cheekbone, the nose, in the corner of my eye, my cupid's bow, and yeah. Then I'm taking the highlighter from the Carly Bible palette and highlighting my brows with that color because the ColourPop one is a little too dark. So I tried avoiding using that too much. And then I'm taking the same shade that we used in the crease and applying just a little bit on the bottom lash line. Then I did my bottom lashes with the It Cosmetics Superhero Lashes. And then lining my bottom waterline with the Rimmel Nude Eyeliner, which will help open up the eyes and make it look a lot more like dolly, I guess. And then taking my lash book from House of Lashes, I'm going to be wearing these lashes from Bombshell Cosmetica, and it's the style Valentina. And then before I apply that on, I'm going to tie line the top with my Rimmel but my Rimmel eyeliner. And then just applying these lashes on, which I feel like just totally ties the whole look together. I was going to go with a different pair, but these are they just make it look so good. Then set it all with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, which holds and locks it all together. And I'm just applying some mascara on my top lashes just to blend them into the fake ones. Then for lips, I'm taking the shade Flurries by ColourPop and just applying that on, which I think is very perfect for this look. I'm re-highlighting a little bit more with the Aurora palette by Anastasia. I forgot this was like something that I did at the end just to look more highlighted and dewy, but this is the completed look now. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.